Hey guys! So today is Thursday and finally I don't have any work today after 9 consecutive days of working. Finally I'm off. I decided to visit Joey today, so I'm gonna have my sleepover over there. I'm just waiting for my bus. It's so windy outside. You won't see it, but once we go out, see the trees. I think we're gonna go out tonight, have a drink with some of my friends. But yeah, we'll see what happens. Wow, the wind! It's so scary! What is going on? Okay, so supposedly, kasama ko na si Joey ngayon. But then there's this windstorm going on. Explain ko pag nakauwi na ako. I can't walk properly. Oh my goodness. Okay, so what just happened? I was supposed to be at Joey's by now. But then when I got off the bus at the King George station, there was this operator guy who was announcing like the train isn't running, you need to like take this and take that. And I was like, how am I supposed to go over at Joey's if there's no train running? And the only way is to like take taxi. Then I tried to call the taxi line, but nothing, and no one was answering. There was this windstorm going on, and then a lot of people are stuck on the train station because it wasn't working because it's really windy. And so on my way home, I was in a bus, and then I was thinking, oh, I have this package waiting for me at Shoppers, so I decided to claim it. And as you can see, here it is. So I was carrying a bag, and then this one. And then it was so freaking windy that the boxes was swaying like on the other side, and I was crossing the pedestrian lane and that happened. Look at that. I don't know if you can see, but if I open the window, you can hear the wind. Since I have this package, this is like the contact paper marble that I ordered on Amazon. It was really frustrating because ngayon lang ako nagka-day off after 9 days of working. Tapos ito pa yung nangyari. I woke up early just for this lakad, but then again, the windstorm happened. And now I'm back. Can you guys hear that sound? That's crazy out there. Wow. Alright, so let's do an unboxing. Laki ah. This is the marble contact paper. I plan on using this as like a decor on my wall, but since this is not really my room, I'm not sure I'm allowed to put something on the wall permanently. This is not really permanent, but this is kind of like sticker. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna have to stick it somewhere else. It kind of serves as my headboard, so I wanted to put like a marble sticker on it, but I'm gonna ask permission first to my grandma if I could put a sticker on this one. So Lola said yes. So you've seen the bigness of the plywood. We're gonna put a sticker on it, so let's do it. I'm so excited. I'm planning to do it like a makeover on my room, so yeah. So you guys, from this piece of plywood to this, ta-da! Isn't it cute? Good job. I cleaned my room. So look at that. It's so clean. This is that thing that I did with the headboard. Then this is my little workspace. I just want to give a shout out to a few people who have been supporting me since day one. Ayan, thank you so much kay Tacky Fujikawa. I know it sounds weird. We actually know each other. If you see one of my videos, he's actually in there, the Living in the Philippines. I'm gonna leave the link over here. He's a fellow YouTuber and he now lives in Japan. Please check out his channel over here if you want to follow him. That'd be great. And si din kay Newt Lobete. He's a fellow YouTube creator as well. He's actually one of my idols when it comes to editing. So if you want to see his work, just follow him. And then also kay Jerby Tabalin. He's always leaving comments on my Instagram photos, which is really nice. Thank you. And thank you guys for supporting me. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Alrighty. Actually, we're just gonna cook the stir-fry beef. I love Bistek Tagalog. I'm not really sure what to do with this, but I've searched Google. So for those of you who knows how to cook, please don't judge me because I have no idea what I'm doing. Like, I don't care. I'm just really hungry. I need to eat. Ano ba English ng gisa? I'm not sure if you need garlic in beef steak. Let's try to put this here. Olive oil. We're gonna saute the garlic and onion, I guess. I'm actually scared of the oil. That's the reason why I don't like cooking. I never cook in the Philippines because I'm really scared of the oil. It gets better in time. In a span of 7 months that I've been here in Canada, I would say that I've done a pretty decent job at cooking. I've actually cooked a lot of dishes already, Filipino dishes. I've cooked adobo, tinola, patatim, sinigang, everything that comes with talong. Tapos yun lang. Ulit-ulit lang din. And then I'm gonna put this one. Hehehe. Ayan ang sinasabi ko. So scary. And then we're gonna put sugar now. And that's it. Medyo nasobran ka ng soy sauce, so I had to take out some and then put some water in it. I have my dinner now. That's just it for this vlog. Thank you guys for watching, and again, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button to stay updated, share this video, like this video, and please follow my Instagram at glairecartago. If you want to see more of what I do here at Vancouver, I usually post Instagram stories, so make sure to follow me on Instagram, and I will see you on my next video. Bye guys!